Hey, I heard that there was abandoned Highland Games thing around here, and now there's a guy passing by. He's gonna cross right by, I guess. Okay, that's not weird. Hi, I heard there was an abandoned Highland Games thing. I don't even know what that means, like Highland Games. There's Highland Games out here, and I just passed this thing that has like an X on it, and it has a shield or something, and it says maze on it. So, and I just almost got stuck in the snow, so I had to put it in 4x4. But let's turn around and check it out. Hey, that's it. Somebody got stuck here, it looks like. This is like me from the past. I just got stuck. Is that it? Like, I don't know if I see something up there. Kind of looks like it. Looks like somebody got stuck already. Oh. And there's somebody already coming back. Says it's a maze. How full are my shoes gonna get? Completely full. I didn't even bring boots. Wow, there's something up there. There's shit. Holy fuck. We found it. It's real. I've heard about this place forever. I overheard about this place. Shit, so deep. I heard about this place over in like just a conversation. Now I'm scared I'm gonna fall in like a big hole. Holy crap. Out of breath. Yeah, like I heard about this at like Safeway or something. A lady said something about turning out the lady of whatever statue, and there's like an abandoned Highland Games out here. So I need to come back here in like the summertime, because this was up to my shins in snow. So much snow. I can't do this. It's like a literal fucking castle. I'm terrified now. That's scary as hell. Look at that. And there's like a beware of dogs sign over there. And a moat. Are you kidding me? It's open. It says it's open, so. You see that through there? Are you kidding? How do I scale the walls, eh? Into this place. Oh, this is like the worst. I just have heard about this place and I drive past it often. It's like a literal fortress out here. But I heard and I finally saw the sign, and I stopped in time and turned, and yeah. Highland Games. What is that? Is that like is that like war games kind of? Let's look at this. can't see in there. Oh, it's freezing though. Not prepared. I'm one of those guys who aren't prepared. Like I left my cat. I have a new Explorer cat. I have Gordie the Explordie cat. Like this is gonna have to be like a part 2 in the summertime. Or when I get some winter. I don't know. I don't know. I can't do this right now. I can't do this right now. This is too big. This is too big. This is like a... We'll be back. Hey.